Annuities. You may have heard a thing or two about them. With all the information out there, I thought it was important to get the facts straight about this financial product. So today I want to dive into what I call one of the annuities, fixed indexed annuities. Now, there's a lot of people these days that are newly retiring. They're very conservative investors. And it used to be that they could take and put their money into, say, maybe a CD, get a high rate of return. I don't know if you recall those days back like in the 1980s where, man, CDs, I think that we were nearly earning like maybe 18%. But you equate that to today where we're only maybe at the most, I don't even know that I could say averaging 1.5%. Let's say an average CD, if we're fortunate, maybe 1%. So as it used to be where we could go out and get a CD, make a high interest earning, we can't do that anymore. In fact, that was part of that three-legged stool that we used to live off of retirement on. So today, I want to look at why I think it's important to understand the advantage of indexed annuities and how and why that might bring some substantial benefits to your portfolio. But first, let's lay out what is a fixed indexed annuities. Well, a fixed indexed annuity is where we will look at our underlying index. Now, when you put your money into this fixed indexed annuity, it's important to understand that you are not directly investing into the stock market. The insurance company is going to have typically, it's going to maybe guarantee a principal protection, very important. Also, what they're going to do is potentially give you a portion of upside uptick. So what it does is that it gives you market opportunity without market risk, meaning the index goes up. What happens is you will participate in a portion of that benefit. But here's what I really like about the indexed annuity. If the index goes down, the market declines, you carry no risk in that. So essentially what you have is an insurance company carrying the risk and you having the opportunity to make more than just a 0.5% or 1%, like if you were just to sit it in the bank. So I want to focus on a few benefits. Okay, number one of the strongest benefits of an indexed annuity, safety of your principal, meaning no risk of loss due to market volatility. Number two, indexed annuities can provide contractual guarantees so that you as a client cannot run out of income during your lifetime. Can I remind you when it comes to retirement planning that there is no retirement without an income? So here's an incredible strategy that will offer you contractual guarantee income in retirement. Number three, there's a lot of different benefits that I could focus on, but one that I really want to focus on right now is that it has what's called an enhanced death benefit. So when you pass away, your beneficiaries have the ability, in some cases, receive even a greater return than just the average return on an indexed annuity. I love this about them. If you ever needed home care or nursing home. Now, I know a lot of us don't want to think about it, but the reality is, today as I'm teaching on this YouTube event, I will tell you this, that over 50% of us watching will need some type of provision when it comes to home care and nursing home. And some indexed annuities can provide that bottom line. So here's the bottom line. Indexed annuities, they provide preservation with upside potential. I like that. Lifetime income guarantee, meaning you're not going to run out of income in your lifetime. That is a huge benefit. It gives you confidence going into retirement. And it can give you an enhanced death benefit, protection on nursing home and home care. So here's the question. Is a fixed indexed annuity right for you? Depends on your dreams and your goals for retirement. But I would love to have a chance to talk to you. We can look at it. We can customize it. Is it right for you? All you have to do is visit our website and give us a call today.